Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on PC. First, ensure your computer meets the game system requirements for a smooth experience. Then, purchase and install the game from a digital store like Steam. Once installed, launch BeamNG Drive and follow the on-screen prompts to complete any initial setup, getting you ready to dive into the action. Next, let's cover the basic controls. You'll primarily use your keyboard for acceleration, braking, and steering, and your mouse for camera adjustments. Take some time to explore the user interface, including the vehicle selector and various apps. A great way to start is by practicing simple maneuvers in a free roam map, getting a feel for the physics. BeamNG Drive offers a variety of game modes to enjoy. Dive into pre-made scenarios for specific challenges, or explore the vast open worlds in free roam. Don't forget to experiment with different vehicles and customize them to your liking, from engine tuning to suspension adjustments. You can even create your own environments using the powerful world editor. To enhance your experience, consider exploring the extensive world of community mods, which offer new vehicles, maps, and features. You can also fine-tune your graphics and physics settings in the Options menu for optimal performance and visual fidelity. Finally, engage with the vibrant BeamNG Drive community online to share creations, get tips, and connect with fellow players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.